Good day, everyone. Welcome again for another fantastic logo design tutorial. This logo is for a film color studio, and it indicates that we are converting a colorless film to a colorful film. Today we'll show you how we created this logo for our client in Adobe Illustrator. First, I'll launch Adobe Illustrator. I'll make a new artboard by clicking the Create New button and entering the logo's name. First, I'll take a rectangle from the Rectangle tool and extend the right side of the rectangle. Then I will round the corners of the rectangle. In the same process, I will take a triangle and round the corners. We will take a white line shape. Then we will cut the part between the triangle and the rectangle with the Shape Builder tool. To apply the gradient color, we are splitting the rectangle in two along the middle. Then we will apply gradient color from the color palette. You can apply any color you want. To make it a 3D look, we're taking another shape with the pen tool. We'll take another shape below to highlight the shape. We will apply gradient colors to make the shape more realistic. Now it looks like we are tearing out the colorless part and extracting the colorful part. Next, we'll take 4 smaller rectangle shape and set it up and down so it looks like a film icon. Our design is almost done now. We are going to add shadows to make it more interesting. Dear viewers, as you can see, we have created a logo for a film color studio where a film is being converted from colorless to colorful. This is the hidden meaning of this logo. Now we will select the desired font and save the logo in the correct alignment. If you need any logo design, then definitely contact us. We will transform your dream design into reality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing logo design videos.